everybody, my name is Pedro Consuegra, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in the Linode cloud. So for start, you can go to linode.com, and as you see, Linode is a very popular hosting provider. It's very specialized in VPS infrastructure and has really good prices. His VPS are really have a good speed. So to start, I'm going to enter to my Linode dashboard account. Then create a VPS installation or a Linode installation. So here in choose distribution, I'm going to choose Ubuntu 18.04. You can select a lot of option of region. Let's stay with Atlanta, and then in the plan we can choose the size of RAM we want, but we are going to do with the 2 GB RAM. This is the minimal requirement to start WordPress speed. Okay, let's say here WordPress speed sample. Then create the root password for is SSH access, and then create Linode. Let's have to wait a little bit while Linode is creating our VPS for us. Check here. It's taking a little bit more time. Check here. Okay. It's taking more time than expected. Okay. Okay, we're good to go. It seems that right now the VPS is running. Now to access to our VPS in order to install the WordPress speed, we can copy here the root access. Open the terminal. Let me close this Windows. Create a new one. Now insert the password that you set before in the installation. And we are now entering into the VPS. So now we are going to copy the installation script. Right now it's installing WordPress, so we have to wait a little bit. You can grab a cup of coffee now and wait to install WordPress on your VPS. Okay, it's done. So to check our WordPress speed, we can copy the IP of the server and then browse to this IP via browser. And that's it. We can see the WordPress speed welcome page, and now we can create an admin user. So let's do this. Select your country. Let's say we are from Monaco. Okay, we are good to go now to, okay, this is important to create a new WordPress instance in WordPress Beat. You have to point DNS record to our installation in this IP. So let's do this. Check here. Go to your domain provider. So in this case, I'm going to my domain provider is GoDaddy. So I'm going to my domains. Let me check here. Okay, WordPressSpeed.com, and set the DNS to point to our WordPress Speed installation. For this, I'm going to add DNS administration tool. As you can see, I have the DNS names, the name servers pointing to Linode.com. So right now I can go to my domains here in Linode, search for WordPressSpeed.com, and then create a domain record, a subdomain to, and point to this subdomain to our WordPress Speed installation. Let's do this. I'm gonna create hi, then copy and paste the IP of our WordPress Speed installation, and then 5 minutes TTL, and then save. So right now I have this subdomain record pointing to our WordPress Speed installation. We have to wait a little bit and then create a hi. So I create the project name HiPeed and then hi.wordpressspeed.com. Then we have to wait like 20 minutes or the 5 to 20 minutes in order to the DNS server make the correct configuration for this subdomain.